Wanted to show you this 84 Corvette that we've been working on. So the client just got it and it needed some modern updates. So the power antenna, he was not a fan of the power antenna. These are notorious for staying on and then killing the battery, which it actually did in this case. So the client wanted to replace it with just a fixed antenna. So what we ended up doing is we had to custom make this base, and then we're using this stubby antenna. So these are really nice because they're really small, but they still give you really good reception. And then as far as the radio goes, the opening is technically a DIN and a half. So in other words, it's not an actual double DIN opening. But what we're able to do is make some custom brackets and these acrylic spacers and put a double DIN in it. So now the cool thing about it is it's an 84 vehicle with a modern double DIN. The double DIN is backloaded so that we didn't have to chop up any of the factory trim. So if the client ever wanted to reverse it and plug the factory radio right back in. Now the nice thing is the client has a modern double DIN with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. He can add a backup camera, and it still looks as if it came with the vehicle because we haven't modified any of the original trim in the vehicle.